Welcome back to another video of Some Random Dude. This is a tutorial for new players, or if you want to sneak into a house without anybody's permission. This video is about how to get into a house without you being the owner. Firstly, you would like to get a car, or you go to the house next to you, drive to the house, and then stand here. Use this emoji, the sleeping one. This will take several seconds, so don't expect it to work like always. Okay, you can see we have made it to the house, and this is really simple. You can also use this one, which costs Robux, but this one's for 25 Robux. I hope I made this clear for anybody who wants to sneak into a house. It's kind of easy. I mean, you could do that. I hope the owner of this game won't fix this glitch. I hope you won't see this. So you see a house, yeah, you see a house, yeah. That's a house. This house here. Okay, this one is open. You can go into a house which is open already. But this one isn't open. This one's for friends only. You can use simple method and you're literally in. You can just sleep or relax in someone else's house. Here's some popcorn. We can eat some popcorn, yeah. And this is really simple, and if you have a friends only house you are snuck into, just use the same thing. But this won't be that easy because you can't really do it. You can't really return again. So you may reset. That's the best way to do anything. And yeah, it's that simple, guys. I guess it's really nice for someone to know how this works because it's that simple. I hope you enjoyed this video of Roblox work in the pizza place, and I'll probably make more tutorials on Roblox work at the pizza place. Thanks for watching, and bye guys.